Hello everybody, my name is Danny. I make all types of YouTube videos, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. So the product that I'm going to unbox, I have the description right here. It is a Uniden Bearcat BC125AT handheld scanner, 500 alpha tag channels, closed call technology, PC programmable, aviation, marine, railroad, NASCAR, racing, and non-digital police, fire, public safety. So basically it's a scanner for those types of things. And yeah, I'm going to, I actually ordered it from Amazon.ca because I'm located here in Canada. So let's get right to it. Okay. I always like to be so intricate here with the packaging. Okay, so here we have, this is the one. This is one side. This is one side of it. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, top, bottom. Okay, let's get right to it and see what this is all about. Looks factory sealed, kind of. So here we have, it says, this is the user guide. The user guide. Another little pamphlet that it came with. It says policescanner411.com. Here we have this. Nice and compact. then we have the cord here. And then we have the antenna. And then we got two batteries, and then that's it. So maybe I can try to see if I can get it to work. Definitely should try to put the antenna on it. Antennas. I don't think it screws on. Just sort of fits on top of it. And let's see if I can get it on. But anyways, I just wanted to show you a little bit generally. I don't really know much about these yet. I'm still learning. I'm just definitely a newbie. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit. I'm just randomly just experimenting with it here. Okay, and so I'm just gonna wrap up the video. I didn't want to make this video go on too long. So I also just wanted to say that I'm most likely going to be getting these police calls and these fire calls and the ambulance calls, and I'm probably going to be following the calls to the scene, and I'll be filming these scenes, and then I'll be posting them on this YouTube channel. So if you like that type of content, make sure you check it out. So I'm just gonna wrap up this call. Oh, looks like I might be getting the channel. So I'm just gonna wrap up this video and say make sure that you hit that. So make sure that you for YouTube, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit on all notifications so that you know whenever I post a new video. And thanks for watching. Peace out.